Do you want to do hassle-free deliveries and pickups? I know that perfect plugin that will help you with that, but I will not tell you the name this easily. For this, you will need to subscribe to our channel and put your thumbs up. So let's just dive into it. The name of our plugin is Delivery and Pickup Scheduling for WooCommerce, and this plugin to its core allows your customers to choose their preferred delivery and pickup dates and time. But first of all, you will need to make some configurations and customizations to make it according to your preferences, and then hand it to your customers so that they can choose what time and date they prefer. So starting from this general settings, you will need to make some basic configurations. First of all, you will need to enable this plugin so that it can work with your WooCommerce. Then here you can choose where you want your date and time fields to display, either before payment options or before order notes, etc. Here you can choose your time zone and date format and time format, either 12-hour or 24-hour, and when your week starts, either Monday or Sunday, or how you work. Then here you can add your email asking field. Here you will need to enable this, and again you can choose its localization. Afterwards, when you go to this order type, you can see that you can set default order type, either delivery or pickup, and you will need to enable for this too, and it will automatically apply to them. Then let's go to this delivery scheduling, and here you will need to click here and enable date. Afterwards, you can customize these date field labels, so you can say either choose date or select date or your preferred date, etc. Let's change it, for example, your preferred date, and here we can choose all the available days that we as business owners work with. So for example, if we only deliver on working days, then we deselect Saturday and Sunday. And we make this field required to choose for them, otherwise we will not know when they want our products to be delivered. Then here, if they do not fill this part, they will get this notice text which will say please select the date for your order. Again, you are free to customize it. For example, oops, you forgot something, etc. And here we can find the minimum days in future and maximum days in future. So this basically says how many days beforehand your customers can make their order and choose their delivery and pickup dates. And this one says the minimum days, so how many days at least before they will need to choose their delivery and pickup dates. So after saving this, we go to this delivery time. Again, you enable the time, and here you can again customize this time field label, saying, for example, hey, select your time, etc. And then you will need to create your times here. So you choose the day of the week, and you are adding your time slots. For example, for Monday we are working from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So, but we have a day, for example, Wednesday is a special day for us, and we are working only from 12 a.m. to let's say 6 p.m. here. So, and again, you will need to make time field required if you want to know when your customers are comfortable with delivering. So again, you can here customize the notice text, and if you want to have an additional customer note, here you are free to write your note, and here you can again choose the font size, and that's it from here. And the same applies to pickup scheduling. It works the same way, and That's it from here, and now let's go to the pro version of this delivery and pickup scheduling plugin and test out those features. The Pro version of this plugin has got some awesome features that we'll definitely need to test out. So from these delivery scheduling and pickup scheduling sections, you can see the added features of delivery capacity, off days, and user roles. So with this delivery capacity option, you can set the maximum number of your deliveries and pickups that you are making for that specific day or time slot. So here you will need to choose either day of the week or time slots. So let's stick to the day of the week, and here you can see the default notice for the maximum orders reached. For your customers, you are again free to customize these and make it maybe friendlier or the way you want it to sound. And here you need to set the maximum number of orders that you can take for these specific days. For example, for Monday we are taking 25, and for the rest of the days we are taking 25, and only for Thursday we are delivering and picking up only 15 orders because we've got some events every Thursday. So here again 25, and for Saturday and Sunday we are 0 because we are not working and this is our day off. Afterwards you can go to the off days. So these off days are meant for the holidays and not for the usual not working days. So here you can set, for example, all the holidays that you are not working so that your customers know, because there are some businesses that they do work that day and the others do not work, so that this part is not confusing. You can set this for your upcoming off days. Afterwards, you can go to your user roles and select the user type that you want to see these delivery options here. So either you want it to display for all your customers or only for your shop manager. This is up to you. And afterwards, don't forget to click on Save Changes, and that's it. And now let's visit our website store, place an order, and see how this works on the checkout page. So let's purchase a test product. From here, add to cart, and then go to our checkout page. And right before your order box, you can see the delivery and pickup box appear right here, and your buyers can easily navigate through delivery and pickup options with the drag and drop functionality that this plugin offers. And here you can see that we have made the choose date and choose time fields required for our buyers, while for the pickup we let it optional, and here you can see the difference. And also for choosing a date, you can see that we have mentioned that Saturdays and Sundays are days off for our company, so those days are not displayed here, and our buyers can only choose from these days available. And also the time form is the way we have set it with AM and PM, and that's it from here. That's it about the delivery and pickup scheduling plugin for WooCommerce. And if you've still got any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.